We had to show you this amazing hair color in the direct sunlight. Look at those roots. Do you remember what the before looked like? Here it is. We had red orange ends, we had black new growth, and gray hair. We added bond multipliers to the permanent hair color, the demi-permanent hair color, and the bleach. Okay, all bond builders are a two-part treatment. You apply part 1 to the hair color formula, and you apply part 2 after you've rinsed the color out. We normalize the hair's pH level, and then we drop some keratin on top when we blow dried her. The reason we drop the keratin on top is because when the bleach and the permanent hair color go in there to affect the pigments, they also affect the keratin cells. The keratin cells, the disulfide bonds, the pigments, they're all entwined. I know you want to know more. Click the subscribe button.